Okay, this is Gulf Coast, Florida vegetation. I'm at a park here, small park, with Rachel and the dogs. And what are we at?
We're at Wikiwachi Preserve, Aripeka, Sandhills Preserve.
Okay, that's where we're at. And we might let Odie off leash. That's the big event here this morning. And there's Freya, little Freya. And I am amazed at this vegetation here. I get a vitality out of it. I love it. The grasses, and you've got cactus down here, and these bunch grasses, and then you've got like this southern slash pine or whatever they call it. It's just like really vigorous coming up here in the grassland. And then you got these fan palms and different stages of fan palms. And then you got this plant that reminds me of a pepper plant, and it's nice, and there's more.